Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick video to give you guys an update, but also to show you guys how I day trade on Robinhood, specifically using Dogecoin as an example, right? So you can see here, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have the live chart. That's number one. The second thing is you want to look for upward trends within the live chart. You can switch to the day chart to see how things are going. That's also a good indicator as well. But for the purpose of this video, we're just only going to focus on the live chart. So looking here at the live chart, you can see here that Doge went ahead and it peaked at 63 cents, right? And so a good point of entry to buy here is at this dip. So whenever you see a high peak like this, you don't want to buy at the peak. You always want to buy on a dip, right? But you don't want to buy on the dip on the way down. You want to buy after the dip reached its lowest point and starts to trend upward. So right here, you can see Doge hit 0.608, and then it went up to 0.62, right? 0.62 would be the primary spot where I would buy. And then where you would want to sell is at high points like this right here, when you see Doge is now at 0.649, about to hit 0.65, right? Because that's likely when a lot of people are going to start selling. If it continues to go up, great, then you can continue to hold. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is sell right here at this point, take my profits, wait for another dip, buy in again, and essentially it's lather, rinse, and repeat at that point. Like and comment. If you have any questions, let me know, and thank you for tuning in.